Біз 600, олар 50 мың. Қорқпаңдар, біз бұйырса жеңеміз. Осы ән сендерге арналады. Сашка, қос. Look, if you had one shot or one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment, would you capture it or just let it slip? Yo, his palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy, these moments are sweaty already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but in the server who's calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's joking now, the clock's run out. Time's up, overblown, snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity, oh, there goes gravity choke. He's so mad, he won't give up, that is he know. He won't have it, he knows, he wants back to this world. It don't matter, he's dope, he knows back to his broke. He's so stagnant, he knows we go back to the small hunters when it's back to the lab begin, yo. This slow rhapsody, he better capture this moment, your hobby done. You better roll yourself in the muse, in the mood, yo. You better never let go. You wanna get one shot, do not miss a chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the news, in the mood, yo. You better never let go. You wanna get one shot, do not miss the chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. Бірақ мүмкіндік жігіттер, бірақ мүмкіндік. Жеңсек, ұрпағымыз құл болмайды. Тарихта қаламыз. Аттанды қалаш.